This is a new garden light, and I just unpacked, and now the solar panel and the lamp body, now they are connected. So I just want to make this easier, so I didn't install it outside. And I just want to show you how to use the controller. Now I just set the demo mode. Blink twice. Then it just censored, so it lights again. Lights off and sensed again. Now I sensed. Okay. Now I pull it off. So it will not light again because it is off. Demo again. Okay. And I will set M mode. Then it blink twice and the M mode is set again. Now there's no people close, so the light gets weak. When it's sensed, it will bright again. Okay, off.